This is actually leading into the conversation about the difference between adding capacity, which I've just mentioned, and redesigning systems. So adding capacity, it actually invites great more use. Oh my gosh, they've added another lane. So we can expect as soon as that construction is over that we'll be able to get from point A to point B faster, and find out as soon as the work is done, we're still stuck in the same 5-mile corridor, the same 1-mile gridlock. And again, we are literally in a reactionary mode by adding a capacity that is trying to meet the need, and yet as soon as it's constructed and fulfilled, that's already, for all intents, obsolete. We actually talk at SNAAP Transportation about how we were founded, that our inventor, visionary, solution engineer, Cal Chamberlain, stuck in Atlanta traffic 30 years ago by himself, single occupant vehicle with a rapid transit bus lane, a high occupancy vehicle lane next to him, underutilized, and yet he's still stuck in traffic. Fast forward 30 years, it's just gotten worse. Now, with all of the things that we've thrown at it, we've electric buses, rapid transit bus lanes, the various metro movers, you're still stuck in gridlock. And so adding capacities by buses, adding capacities, and maybe it's a subway or boring hole, those by themselves are only reactionary, and they are just really retrofitting and maybe expanding some capacity in current or historic design systems. Typically, we know them all. They're underground, they're on grade, or we now have flying cars. And I'm going to highlight here on grade or terra firma. Now, just any mobility, smart city conference, urban design, the majority is talking about shared mobility, electric vehicles, or extended range electric vehicles, extended range batteries, autonomous, and then aerial. Really the 4 categories of the redesigning of the future mobility. None of those are talking about this layer that exists just 5 meters, 16 feet above grade. And so we want to have a very serious conversation with city designers, commercial residential developers, sports, arts, entertainment venue locations, manufacturing or fulfillment logistics centers, the Amazons, and then also places like marinas, harbors, and ports of call where you may be releasing 6,000 to 8,000 passengers from a cruise ship. How do you get them from that port out into the community where they can actually enjoy a local quality of life? How come every single time we go to a major event, we sit there and go, ugh, now I have to walk from out here all the way to a venue? And I'll pick a specific location here in the United States. We have a large automotive manufacturing plant, one of the best actually in the world. Employees have to arrive an hour early to park their car, avoid traffic, and then walk from where they park to make sure that they clock in on time. A lightweight, flexible, scalable, elevated personal rapid transit system is an easy solution in these conversations around traffic congestion, designing cities for the future, and doing it today. And so again, we're really digging into adding capacities based on old systems rather than redesigning new systems for the future.